Welcome back to our kitchen. We're gonna be making pumpkin spice rolls. Now my wife, she got something to tell ya.
I found this little hack on Instagram where you make it's like almost like cinnamon rolls, but you know, we're in the fall season, so we're gonna get creative with it. And then you use baking twine and you tie them up and you make them kind of look like little pumpkins. So
yeah,
we've never done this before. We're just gonna give it a try. We've seen it on Instagram. Why not?
Why not? Let's get into it. Let's start by preheating our oven to 350.
So we start with the dough. I'd be scared to open that, so that's on you.
I got you.
Just pop out of nowhere.
This is actually super satisfying. I don't know why.
It doesn't scare you?
No.
That scares me.
It's just like...
It's the unexpected.
Oh, I got you. I'd be like...
Oh, that one was not even that bad.
No.
It could have been worse.
It don't be bad for you.
No, some of them are bad.
Nah, some of them are bad. I think it's the smaller ones. They be going crazy. Beautiful. Beautiful. Baking twine.
Yes, baking twine. We just got this from Target, I think, or Walmart.
We picked it up from Target, yeah. Some regular baking twine. Do not get string, because it literally says, like, for the string, the regular, like, arts and craft.
Twine, or, I don't know, just regular string. I mean, maybe you know that. We didn't know that.
Yeah.
There's a baking twine.
Yep. That didn't like it was choking, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Where's your fingers? Where does it end? Whoopsie. Finally!
We have our cooking twine.
2,000 strings later.
We got our baking twine now.
We're each gonna try one and then we'll do them up close and personal for you guys.
For you guys, so y'all could, you know what I'm saying, get that POV.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me stop singing. I'm used to us like not being on like camera or like it being
like recorded live type of vibe.
Mm-hmm.
You normally just fast forward or like just put some it looks like B-roll little video type of vibe.
Oh. Alright, you do it that way and I'll do it the regular way.
Alright.
Your way is probably way easier, I'm not even gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna have to pick it up every time. Oh, that technique is smart. Alright, just not too tight. Ooh, there's 5, so we each get to do... Now I'm about to do bunny ears and everything.
I'm tying it like twice, because I feel like that first time I am too, but I feel like once it rises, because it's tied up,
it's gonna
expand. Yeah, it's gonna grow.
Sir.
What? What?
Sir, you only you made it in the same direction.
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's his pumpkin.
Yo, I didn't make it in the same direction. What are you talking about?
You have... Look at these two are coming out the same... No.
Yo, you trying to expose me, bro? It's good.
I take it back.
Come on now. Watch mine come out fire still. Get out of here.
You have time to fix it.
Huh? Time to fix it? I'm not fixing that. It's you over here doing it perfect and stuff.
It gotta be like a pumpkin.
That's gonna look like a pumpkin, babe. You don't see it has the little round things? I'm bugging. Let me get another twine.
I probably didn't a little tighter that one. Another twine? Like oh, you can't untie it.
No, I can't. That's a GG right there. Give me the twine, bro.
It's okay.
Give me the twine, bro.
It's okay. You know what? We love all types of pumpkins.
Okay.
No discrimination on this side.
Period.
Because you know what? When you go to the pumpkin patch, they're not all perfect.
Yep.
Everyone's perfect in their own way.
That's a fact.
There's perfection. You know what I'm gonna go say? There's perfection.
There's perfection what?
Oh, god damn it. I thought you were gonna know what I was gonna say.
I don't know.
Complete my sentence, bro.
I don't know how to complete that one. I'm sorry.
I thought you were my soulmate.
Well, I am. Don't get it.
There's perfection in imperfection.
Okay. Well, now I know.
How many strings did I freaking tie? Oh, okay, this is my last.
You see mine? Look better now, huh?
It does. It looks better. It looks better.
You gotta
but it's gonna have yours. Is gonna have a little lump.
It's okay.
It's But like I said, when you go to the pumpkin patch, they don't be perfect.
Yep.
Guys, when you guys are doing this, I think just make the string a little bit shorter.
Yeah, I think we went too long.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
We'll make the other ones okay. All right, look at.
Okay, Miss Perfect.
You wanna show them?
Yeah, I mean, let me
tell you. But yours is gonna come out looking real cool.
Let me bring y'all closer. So this is mine, y'all. Okay? The imperfect one.
It's perfect.
Oh, okay. And then this is Miss Perfect's right here. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful.
Blue, 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 blue.
Look at one.
That's the best one, baby. I love you.
I like you too, man.
You just crack me up. These look so cool. You ready to put these in the oven?
Let's put them in the oven.
Let's go.
Into the oven they go.
Psych, we're back. We forgot to tell you how long they're supposed to go in the oven. All right, oven, calm down.
Relax. All right, so we're gonna bake these from 23 to 27 minutes or until golden brown. So I'm gonna give it 25 minutes.
25 minutes at what? What was it?
340 degrees.
340?
Oh, 350. Sorry.
Oh, 350.
So 350 degrees for 23 to 27 minutes or until golden brown. So we give it 25. So we'll be back in the next clip.
Guys, ready?
We're ready.
Not the apron on. We're filming another video, so
Period.
tune in.
Tune in.
Woo, woo, woo.
Look at that. Look at those right there, yo.
If only you guys could smell these.
I know. It smells like October in here. The fall season.
Alright, we gotta let them cool down. And then we'll cut off the strings and let you guys see the end result.
Yes, indeed. We're gonna go ahead and try our items. This is the first time we're doing this on camera, and we're gonna give this a try. See? I think it's good. I think it's. Let me get another thing. I don't know. You could definitely get a lot of the pumpkin flavors.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it is good. It's pretty smooth.
It tastes like avena.
It does.
It tastes like avena.
It tastes like a chai latte.
That's what it tastes like. Interesting.
I think because of the spice.
Mm-hmm.
But like if you like it a little sweeter, you add more sugar.
Yeah.
You know, some condensed milk would probably.
Ooh, sweet condensed with this?
Sweet and condensed milk.
Low key? Facts. But this is pretty good though.
It is. Especially for a homemade creamer.
Yeah, we made the creamer from scratch, y'all. So this is clutch. And listen, y'all probably seen this right here, and y'all probably seen both of these combined. We're adding this segment in both videos because we made these videos together, so
yeah,
it makes sense to do it, right?
Yep.
All right, so let's give this a try right here.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie, this looks amazing. But I'm gonna take this out though. I don't wanna bite this.
Right.
Ooh, and some of the glaze went in the.
I put it in on purpose.
Oh, okay,
After
okay,
we
gotcha.
like initially stabbed it.
That makes sense. All right, you ready? We're making this again.
These are good.
We're gonna make this Thanksgiving. This is fire. Like having that with this,
Perfect.
perfect combo.
And this one's not too sweet. It's giving fall over here.
Nah.
It tastes almost like the Dunkin' one, but better.
Yeah.
Because the Dunkin' one.
Definitely better than Dunkin'.
But yeah, pumpkin does have that effect, I feel like.
Yeah. Yo, that was good. That was real good.
Yeah.
I like that. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Oh. You have a little bit of sugar there. Do I too?
No, you good.
Oh yeah.
That was real good.